Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are up at the RV manufacturer doing the world premiere of the all-new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 22 Veranda. This is a very unique new line of travel trailers and also destination trailers that Salem is starting. So we're going to take a few minutes here and run you through the inside and outside of this RV and kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 22 Veranda travel trailer here. This thing is packed full of pretty cool, unique features that Salem has started a whole new travel trailer lineup for. Let's get started here in the living room kitchen area, and then we'll go out to the deck area and kind of show you that. So first things up, we have a kind of a chase lounge super sofa here. This will flip out and make into a bed, so you could sleep one or two adults on it. There's storage underneath of there as well. You have a nice large window there overlooking the back side of the RV, and then they have these pretty cool little LED light strips set up here, these little archways on the sides. Over here you're going to have the pull-out pantry area also built into your slide out here. And then next to that is your 10.7 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt powered refrigerator right there. Right across from your sofa area here, you've got this very nice 60-inch Furrion electric fireplace. It's basically a fancy electric space heater, but man, is that thing awesome looking there or what? They're currently using a Jensen TV sitting right here as well. Nice size TV for this area with some shelf space below it and above it as well. Now looking up at our ceiling here, you can see it has those really cool dimmable LED light bar lights on the ceiling. Multiple AC ducts throughout the roof area up there. And it comes with a large Coleman AC up there. Now right here, you're going to have a little sitting and eating area as well. Now this is kind of cool. This right here actually slides back out of the way, and then you can move your chair around, giving you more room to maneuver around in here if you want. And it's real simple and easy to slide right on back out. Very nice solid surface countertops in here. You got that very nice Furrion oven there, which has the glass front. It does have a light inside there I forgot to turn on. Has the light up knobs as well. Has a 3-burner gas cooktop with a flip up and down glass lid. There is also going to be some storage drawers to your left here. So you got 3 pull-out, full extending ball bearing drawer. Got a drawers. You're going to have some storage space underneath of your sink area as well. And then on the side right here, it actually flips out and you have your trash can area right there. It's kind of cool. Undermount sink. Very nice setup here. Window there does open. The other window on the side here opens. And then check this out. This pops up. Right there's your Furrion microwave and your Furrion hood range light with fan in it as well. Little rack there on the side for maybe some spices and stuff. Then you're going to have some storage space here, and also some more storage space over on the side here as well. Now on the side of the cabinet is going to be the JBL Bluetooth connectivity here for your phone to play music through the speakers. You got that light switch for the light bars up top and the dimmable part of it right here as well. awning in and out, slide out in and out, some accent lighting, awning light, monitor panel, water pump, all right here. Propane leak detector down there. You're going to have the digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your air conditioner right there as well. And you walk into your bathroom area here. So let's step in here, kind of look at it from the side here. Step up in the shower. I got some decent headroom here. Got a skylight above me. But like the little arch area there, decent amount of counter space and some storage space underneath as well. Then on the side over here, you're going to have your on-demand water heater controls. Typical light switch there as well. And you got your shower over on this side and also your foot flush toilet. So it's a step-in shower with the pull-across vinyl door. Couple AC ducts in here. Little vent fan up top there to get skylight up there as well. They even continued the archway throughout the two sides of the bathroom here. Stepping into your master bedroom area here, you're going to have a large window over there. Now just right up here is also TV hookup, so you could put your small TV over there if you wanted to. That window again does open. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. Now check out our little closet area here. So we have hanging closet up here. And then there's some shelf space and then a little laundry basket thing down there as well. A little laundry net. Now up top here, you're going to have some storage space up above your bed. You're going to have this custom king, they call it Camper King bed. It's 66 inches wide, 78 inches long. It has the Versa tilt feature, so it raises up and goes back down flat when you're ready to sleep. There's also some storage area and stuff below here. And then over on the side over here, it does have a little step over here too. So if you have that little dog or whatever that likes to come up into bed with you, they can kind of climb their way up there a little bit easier. There's some storage underneath of your end table there, electric outlet, USB charger ports. And then back over on the side here, you have more storage and also electric outlet and USB charger ports. Now over on the wall over there is the Versa tilt bed control, light switch as well. You have your entry exit door going in and out of your bedroom area. Now tell me guys, what do you think so far of this thing? Do you like the new colors for Salem? Besides being a whole new floor plan lineup for them, it has the new colors, new furniture color, wall boards, ceiling boards, lights, a whole new look for the Salem product here. Now back here, you're going to have the button down here that works the slide out part of the porch. Light switch, window that opens as well, and then obviously a very large, deep tent, safety glass sliding entry door here. So stepping out onto your back porch of your new 22 veranda here, check her out. Very, very cool setup here. Looking up at the ceiling here, you got a couple light bars and you also have a couple speakers out here as well. Now you can see those two chairs sitting there. That section that those chairs are sitting on actually slides in like a slide out, just like a slide out does on the side of a camper. This is kind of like a flush floor slide out deck. This will come up and over the main deck that I'm standing on here. That is very cool. Now another really cool thing they did as well, this little blue knob right here turns on a mister. So if you're back here cooking and you're getting a little warm, built right into the system right here, you have a water mister already on the RV. How cool is that? That is very awesome. Now back here, you're going to have this really nice griddle. Now in the future, because these are the prototypes, you'll have some sort of lock here to hold this down for travel purposes. But this raises up, kind of also acts as a bit of a backsplash for this very nice gray stone griddle right here, allowing you to do some cooking outside here. Over here, you're going to have a 12-volt powered mini fridge and some storage underneath of this section as well. This is all metal cabinetry on the outside here. Your faucet area right here also goes down and then will flip down. And again, they're going to have a lock on this as well in the future. But a very, very cool setup here. This is roughly about 9.5-inch deck here. So 9.5, 9 feet, 6 inches, I think is what they told us. But a very cool little setup for a deck. And this, when it's closed up, just helps make it a little bit shorter when you're traveling down the road. Got prepping up here for a rear observation camera and stuff as well. And a nice swing gate here to take you off of your back deck. All right, now we are going to go around the outside real quick, show you around the outside, then we're going to come back in, close it up for you. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 22 veranda here. We're going to start here on the back side and kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, this one was ordered with the standard tough coat aluminum exterior. They do have a platinum package available, which puts fiberglass sides on it, and it will also put a 200-watt solar panel on it if you do the platinum package. If you like the aluminum look and don't really want the fiberglass, but still want solar, you can opt in for a solar panel, as it is already pre-wired for solar. But this new metal for them is a really nice improvement, I think, to the look and also the thickness of the aluminum as well. Now over here, you're gonna have pass-through storage area that goes across the front. I'll show you that a little bit better when we get to the other side. You have jacks on the front, the back, and then there will be another set at the very back for that deck area as well. So you're gonna see 6 jacks on this unit. The slide out is pre-prepped for Sol Air slide toppers. And that right there would roll in and out with the slide, allowing it to shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, all that type of stuff. Your dump area is down here for your gray and black. You also have hot and cold low point water drains right down there. You have your detachable 30 amp power cord will come out right here. They also have city water hookup, black tank flush, and cable hookup right here as well. The unit is a dual axle unit. It has steel wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. And as you can see back here on this side, you got those 4 rear jacks, 2 on each side. You're gonna have the gas line hookup right here as well for plugging in your grill. And you also have a drain down here as well. I love the look of those light bars back here. You have 2 speakers back here as well. And then again, you have this slide out porch. And you can see right down here, this is basically kind of like the slide out mechanism that you would see on the side of a camper coming out. This actually comes up and over the back deck section. So it's basically a flush floor deck slide instead of a flush floor internal slide there. You'll see the nice little Salem logo up top, prepped in the center for a Furrion rear observation camera. They also put that Forestriver logo down below as well. And again, this deck is roughly 9 feet 6 inches long. I think this is one of the biggest decks on the RV industry at the moment. That step there has that foot assist on it to help stabilize it a lot better. You got the swing gate on there. You're gonna have your big power awning with the LED light bar on there as well. Adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. You're gonna have TV hookups out here as well. So if you want to do a TV out here, you could. There's an electric outlet, a cable outlet, and already a plate right there to do a TV outside. You have that extra light bar over here. You're gonna have your furnace exhaust out here, Your freshwater tank drain is right down there. It's the bigger 1.5-inch version, so it'll drain out faster. Gravity fill freshwater tank, and your Suburban on-demand water heater also located right there. Now up here at your main bedroom entry door here, they did the heavy-duty More Ride entry exit step. It's rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, has all the adjustable feet and everything. Large folding grab handle there as well. And then you're gonna have another light bar up here, so you really light up the campsite area of your RV. A little bit bigger baggage door on this side. And you can see here, nice pass-through storage area. On the front side here, you're gonna have a nice rolled aluminum. And if you do the Platinum package, you still get this same front. So it's only putting fiberglass on the sides, not the front section. So your choice, depending on how you want to order it, talk with your salesperson about doing so. But you have kind of a lower gray metal at the bottom, 2 5/16 hitch bulb, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wire and plug, power tongue jack, battery disconnect, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back there. But overall, a very nice, very new, cool addition to the Salem lineup, these new verandas. So I did a video also on the 42 veranda, which is the big destination trailer. And we're gonna also do one on the larger 32 veranda over there. You'll see that one coming up as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, it is greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And as always, guys, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. All right, guys, we are now back up inside the new 2025 Cruise Lite 22 veranda here, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like all closed up. So it is very important when you are ready to close it up to get this bar stool out of the way so that the slide out does not hit it. Now you might as well go ahead and slide this closed as well. This just slides on back, so it's out of your way. Right over here on the side is going to be your slide button. So when you are ready to bring this thing in, you're basically going to reach around and hit the button and bring it in. It's a 12-volt powered slide system, works fairly quickly. Just push the button, it comes right in and goes right out. Now when it does come in, it comes in very, very close to the cabinetry and stuff, so there's not a whole lot of room to maneuver around in here, but you can come in and get to some of the stuff. So I could come through the back door and get into my kitchen area, or I could go through the front door and get to my bedroom and bathroom area. But you would have to be a very skinny person, which I am not, to be able to squeeze through this section if you were able to do so. Now, refrigerator wise, I can open it up some, so I could put some stuff in here if I'm stopping at the grocery store or just wanting to run in here and grab a drink if I'm at the rest area or something. So you can do a little bit of that with it closed up, but again, you're not truly getting through the whole thing. And then it just takes a few seconds to hit the button and run the slide right on back out. Very simple and easy. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, it is greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button down below. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.